The Cadillac Escalade is more than just an SUV, it's a symbol of luxury, power, and distinction. Since its debut in 1999, the Escalade has redefined the full-size luxury SUV segment, captivating drivers with its imposing design, cutting-edge features, and unrelenting performance. Today, the Escalade continues to set benchmarks in the automotive world, blending timeless style with modern innovation. From the moment you see it, the Cadillac Escalade demands attention. Its bold design is characterized by a prominent grille, sharp LED lighting, and massive 22-inch wheels, and in the top model, it also offers 24-inch wheels. The sheer size of the vehicle, complemented by its elegant lines, ensures it stands out in a setting. For 2024, the Escalade's aesthetic has been redefined while retaining the robust and authoritative stance that has become its trademark. Under the hood, the Escalade is powered by a standard 6.2-liter V8 powerful and the beast engine, delivering 420 horsepower paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This combination ensures smooth acceleration and responsive handling. However, for those traveling more, the Escalade V takes performance to an entirely new level and in the next level also. Featuring a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, this powerhouse produces an astonishing 682 horsepower, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. Additionally, the Escalade's magnetic ride control and air ride adaptive suspension provide a remarkably smooth and controlled driving experience, whether navigating city streets or crossing on the highway. Now let's talk luxury. Step inside the Escalade and you are greeted by an opulent cabin designed to offer ultimate comfort and advanced technology. The interior is a showcase of fine craftsmanship with premium materials like semi and line leather and genuine wood accents. Seating for up to 8 passengers ensures ample space for both family and friends. At the heart of the cabin is a revolutionary 38-inch curved OLED display. The cutting-edge screen integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system, providing crystal clear visuals and intuitive controls. With Google built-in accessing navigation apps and media is a seamless. Music lovers will be thrilled with the AKG Studio Reference audio system, boosting up to 36 speakers for an impressive sound system. Whether it's your favorite playlist or an audiobook, the Escalade delivers unparalleled audio quality. It's unbelievable. Now let's do safety and driving assistance. Cadillac has equipped the Escalade with an impressive suite of safety features. The highlight is Super Cruise, a hands-free driving system that uses advanced sensors and GPS for autonomous driving on compatible highways. Additional features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system enhance safety and driver confidence. How the Cadillac Escalade become a global icon? The Cadillac Escalade is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. With its combination of bold design, performance, and luxurious amenities, it continues to be a top choice for those who demand the best, whether you are driving through city streets or embarking on a grand adventure. The Escalade ensures every journey is extraordinary. If you like the video, you may subscribe to our channel. Okay, bye bye, take care, bye.
Ain't got no cigarettes, but